Unlocking the meaning of on the home straight. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, on the home straight. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a beautiful layer to your English comprehension. So, let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, on the home straight, originates from the world of track and field. In racing, the home straight is the final straight section of the track that leads to the finish line. It's where runners can see the end in sight and often where the most intense part of the race occurs, as athletes give their last ounce of energy to finish strong. When we use the phrase, on the home straight, in everyday English, we're not usually talking about a physical race. Instead, it's a metaphor that means you are approaching the end of a task, project, or journey. It implies that the most challenging parts are behind you, and completion is within reach. This phrase is filled with a sense of relief, anticipation, and sometimes excitement about nearing a goal. To help you grasp how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. In academics, after years of hard study, I'm finally on the home straight of my PhD. In work projects, we've been working on this project for months, but now we're on the home straight. It feels great to be so close to the end. In personal goals, I'm on the home straight of my marathon training. Just a few more weeks to go. Notice how in each example, the phrase conveys both the proximity to the goal and the journey's effort. It's also important to know when not to use this phrase. Since it implies nearing completion, it wouldn't be appropriate for situations where a significant amount of work or distance still remains, or where the outcome is still very uncertain. For instance, saying you're on the home straight in the first week of a year-long project might be overly optimistic. We hope this exploration of on the home straight has been enlightening and will help you add this expressive phrase to your English language toolkit. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and with each new phrase you master, you're getting closer to the finish line of fluency. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.